How to add username in Telegram. So today in this video I will be showing you how can you add your username on your Telegram account easily. But before that, subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon so you'll never miss an update from us. Now let's get into the video. So the first thing is you need to open up your Telegram application and make sure to log into your account. If you have got multiple Telegram accounts, then make sure to log into the account in which you want to set the username or make any sense. So once you are logged in, you will be able to see this interface or all of the chats with your friends and relatives. So as a further process, you have to tap on the three bar horizontal line at the right upper corner, and you have to go for settings option at the third last option. Under settings, you will be able to see your account in settings. Under account, at the second row, there is username option. So right now, I haven't set any username, so here is none. You have to simply tap over there and you have to enter the username over here. You can enter the username that you want to set or that you prefer. And once you are done entering the username, you can tap on the right or the tick option in the right upper corner. And after a few seconds of loading, the username will be set, you can see. So this is how you set username in Telegram. So I hope this video was helpful. If you have got any queries regarding this video, then you can mention down below in the comment section. Thanks for watching.